Hi everybody, I'm Meli Spaghetti and welcome back to my channel. And this is Steve.
Hi.
So today we are doing another unboxing for the VegOut City Box. And let's see what we got. This month we're going to Austin, Texas.
Yeehaw!
Oh no.
We have a coupon from Nadamu. Enjoy 1 pint on them, I guess.
A beer?
No, it's ice cream.
It's coconut milk ice cream.
I'll take this.
There's a pin.
What is it?
It's a little dinosaur.
It's a bronchosaurus.
You don't have to be so specific. It's a little dinosaur that has leaves on it. It says plant eater.
That's cute.
That's mine.
We have Fit People, vanilla and goji plant protein and superfood.
And protein powder.
16 grams of protein, gluten-free, stevia-free, and non-GMO. I'll take this.
I got matches.
Oh shit.
Smell the smells.
What does it smell like?
Like matches?
Smells like arson.
I don't know. I don't know. We got matches from the burlap bag. Has a unicorn on it.
We have Bearded Brothers vegan, gluten, soy-free, paleo, not added sugar, bodacious blueberry vanilla. What is it?
A bar?
I think it's a bar.
It's bodacious. She's
5 grams of
thick.
protein, 4 grams of fiber, low glycemic, and omega-3s. Nice. I'll take this.
Probiotic deodorant?
What?
What does that even mean? It's lavender though.
Nice.
Smells good. Can never get enough deodorants.
And it's probiotic. We got popcorn.
We got popcorn.
Cornucopia Popcorn Creations. Butter pecan flavor.
Got grass on it.
It's not grass.
Yeah, it is. We have one more thing. It's called Bossy Pants Soy Candle on the burlap bag. Oh, so the matches go with this.
What's it smell like?
Bossy Pants.
Honey, where are my pants?
So this is the little paper it comes with. So it says, welcome to Austin, home to artists, foodies, techies, and college students. Austin is a hotbed of vegan culture. From vegan, gluten-free bakeries, zucchini kill, to all vegan gastropubs, the beer plant. Austin has something for everyone. An all vegan ice cream shop, Hello Sweet Ritual. With so many delicious options, your toughest decision will be where to start. Here are some fun vegan facts about Austin. In September 2017, Austin introduced its first vegan milkshake truck. Damn. Milky Way shakes. The city boasts local favorites including Arlo's, Rabbit Food Grocery. I like it already. Bolton Creek Cafe, Counterculture. That's a good name. Lil Nona's, The Vegan Nom, Casa de Luz, and more. Texans are big on their barbecue, and Austin does vegan barbecue right. The very first Whole Foods opened here in 1980. You can still visit the flagship store today. With over 200 days of sunshine each year, Austin offers plenty of opportunity to get outside and work off all those extra calories you'll be eating. Cornucopia popcorn, vegan butter pecan popcorn, featuring Texas's favorite nut. This butter pecan popcorn is addicting. Vita Green vegan probiotic deodorant, organic and fair trade with a relaxing lavender scent, great for sensitive skin. The burlap bag Bossy Pants candle, a combination of citrus, coconut, and cardamom, a perfect mix of sweet and spicy. It doesn't even smell spicy, it just smells sweet.
Damn, that's misleading.
Fit People vanilla and goji plant protein. Plant protein that's gluten-free, soy-free, stevia-free, and non-GMO. I Heart Avocado enamel dino pin. Plant eaters unite. Flaunt your vegan pride with this cute leaf-eating dinosaur pin.
Roar.
They didn't even say brontosaurus. They just said leaf-eating.
Dang.
Bearded Brothers Bodacious Blueberry Vanilla Bar. Tastes like fresh vanilla ice cream with blueberries on top. No added oils or sweetener. Nada Move vegan ice cream. Since we couldn't ship the ice cream, here's a coupon for a free pint. So that's all for today, which was a cool box. I'm gonna stop ordering these boxes. They're good, but if you're a weirdo that's allergic to coconut like I am, it's not worth it. But they are if you're not. So that's it for this little series, and we'll have some other stuff in the making for you guys.
In the works.
It's in the works. That's not the end of...
In the studio.
So we have some stuff in the works. That's not the end of our vegan theme of videos. And yeah. So give this video a like, subscribe, and leave a comment of your favorite candle scents. And until next time, I'm Meli Spaghetti.
I'm Steve.
Bye.